Hello everyone, from where are you? Thank you very much for what have you done. This is Omukebete, son of Mamuke. I want to say thank you for always supporting my problem. I want to wish you a Merry Easter and a Happy New Easter Monday. On Easter, go and enjoy yourself, because if you don't enjoy yourself, no one will enjoy yourself for you. But when you go to enjoy yourself, make sure the security is tight, no one will disturb your problem. Remember, Jesus is the answer and the devil is the exam. And Jesus he saved us, paid all when he died on the sins for our cross, when the cross and Jesus killed the one. Enjoy your happy Easter.